Yo, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are doing good. In this video we're gonna be doing installation. Got a package that came in yesterday. Hopefully you guys like this installation video. Ooh. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, quick update. You guys should follow up my Twitch. Ghetto ass setup. It works though. Follow up the Twitch at OEM Spec. I'll link it down in the description. If you guys wanna watch me live playing some Modern Warfare, Car X, or whatever. Maybe GTA for old time's sake. But yeah. Oh, I'll show you guys. Let's get this shit started. My girlfriend's coming. She's gonna, I think she wants to help me, but. Alright. If you guys don't know, or if you guys never knew, the WRX is getting stored. I know it's dumb, because it's a Subaru and you're supposed to be driving it in snow, because it's all-wheel drive, but it's my fucking car. It's my car, I can do whatever I want to it. But anyways, yeah, there's the car, and I'll show you guys what's in the box. Psych. This is a product from OLM. Basically, I'll just show you guys. Alright. Let's see what's in it. So we got an instruction manual. Bruh, they show a diagram of an auto. We got the plug and play wiring harness. Yeah. Oh, nice. And then, what else we got? We got bolts, and then the brackets, and then more of the wiring shit. Yeah. And then we got the I picked the, I think this is the clear lens with the red light bar. So, yeah. So first thing that we have to do is open my trunk. You gotta clear all this shit out. So, boom, done. Next thing, I have to clean that shit up. Next thing, we have to take off the mats. Or this, actually, we're mainly focused on this, but we gotta take this off, because it'll expose the spare and other shit. And then we gotta open that up. So, okay, now that we got all that shit out, now we gotta remove 7 clips to access the wiring harness, and then we gotta access, there's a rubber grommet here that we have to cut to run our wires through. So boom, got it out. So now we gotta, actually before we touch wiring, we gotta this is the rubber grommet that I'm gonna run the wire through. We're probably gonna slice it in the middle and then run the wires through there later on, but right now we gotta take off the diffuser, because we need to access this from under but the diffuser's in the way. Guys, I forgot to do one thing. I don't want to work on my, well, these aren't the nicest clothes, but I still don't want to get them dirty. So I'm gonna put on my Subaru overall, cause Subi gang. You guys need to invest in an overall, because trust me, you don't want to be changing out clothes every fucking time. So, we have to get the diffuser off now. It should be quick and easy, but it's just tough getting under there, so. Alright guys, we got the diffuser off. It's a bit of a struggle. Just a tight spot, so that's it. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm watching my girlfriend live stream on my PS4 right now. She's upstairs, so yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. You gotta take off 4 clips. I don't know if you guys can see. There's 4 clips. I think I'm missing, or 2. No, yeah, 4. Yeah. And then basically, I don't know if you guys can see that. We pop the old one out and we pop our own light in, so, or sorry, yeah. And then we feed the line through that grommet that I was talking about, and then I'll just do the work and then show you guys the after. Alright, I got this part out. So basically there's 4 tabs. 1, 2. Come on. There's 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom right there. See? Okay, we gotta clean this shit up a little bit. Okay. Oh my fucking god, dude. Okay, so now we gotta put this bracket behind in there, because this bracket will hold the light, the 4th brake light. So Subi Speed made a in-depth video. Sorry, I'm just watching my girlfriend's live. In-depth video on how to install this. I already know how to install this, so I'm just gonna do it, because I don't want to spend my whole time explaining. And besides, it's fucking hard to fit a camera under there and show you guys step by step. So I'll show you guys the light when it's on there already. So alright guys, she's in. The bolts aren't tightened all the way, but now we gotta figure out the wiring. So okay, so this is the plug-in. This is the plug-and-play kit, and then this is the wiring. So you connect it to this end, and then you gotta connect this to the actual headlights, and then this one as well. But I'll show you guys the ending result. Okay, so as for the grommet, we're gonna do like a cross cut, so we can feed the lines through it. I'm gonna cut like that. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's kind of too much on this side, but whatever. We're gonna feed the line through here, and we should be able to see it below. Alright, so we got this now. So we take out this. This came from here. Fuck, how can I? There. This came from here. So I took that out. And then there's no way you can mess this up. So like if you fucking try to connect these 2 male ends, it's not gonna work. So find the female and then the male from the car. Connect those. And then this one connects back to where that came from. if I can. There we go. Then you should be good. I'll try it out, turning on my light. And then after, I just gotta bolt everything up, make sure everything's tight, and try to make the setup better so like water doesn't fuck up the wirings. Oh shit, that works. So yeah guys, I just realized I got the one where it doesn't blink when I'm pressing on the brakes. I don't know, I don't really like it when it's blinking because it's, I don't know, there's a lot of Subarus that fucking run that and it's kind of annoying. So I just have like the solid one, but it does have a reverse light. That's what it has. So, and it blinks and it's like steady. I'll show you guys. It's the reverse. This is the brake. Hopefully you guys like that. I'm gonna finish up here and then do a final. I'm actually gonna start the car and then let it warm up because it hasn't ran and I've just been using the battery, so I'm gonna let it run for a bit. All right, cold start for the boys. Let's open the garage so we don't kill ourselves here. Holy, it's been a while since I started this. It looks so mean. Fuck. Alright. Hopefully you guys liked that video. Please leave a like and subscribe. It's gonna help out a lot. I have a couple more. Actually, I have a lot of parts coming in. I have a magnetic drain plug, but I don't think I need to make a video on that because it's just me changing the oil and putting a drain plug on, so there's no point. But yeah, I'm planning on getting more parts. Obviously, if you guys support the channel, then this thing's gonna look even better. So please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell button, share this to your friends, to your mom, and hopefully you guys have a good one. Peace.